Hello students, welcome all of you in YouTube channel Physics with Feel. In previous classes we studied about electricity and its effects. For example, when electric current flows through wire, it produces some heat which give rise to the heating effects of the electric current. And we drive also the formula related to Joule's law of heating, and further we also did the topic of power. And in today lecture I am going to start with next topic, that is magnetic effects of electric current. Clear? I am going to start with it. Okay, in the previous chapter electricity we learnt about the various effects of electric current. Electric current, for example, in case of the resistance, if there is a high resistance then more amount of the heat is produced. जब ज़्यादा resistance हो किसी circuit में तो ज़्यादा heat produce होती है. And similar case, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the magnetic effects. We know that electric current carrying wire behave like a magnet. For example, if there is a wire and current is flowing through it, इट बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट. जब भी किसी वायर में से करंट फ्लो करता है वो एक तरह का मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करता है. एंड वी जज दिस विद वन एक्सपेरिमेंट. टेक अ स्ट्रेट थिक कॉपर वायर and place it between the point X and Y in an electric circuit and place a small compass near to this copper wire. And when we place this compass near to the copper wire, see the position of this needle. And when current is passed through this circuit by inserting the key into the plug, see the observations. We see that needle is deflected. For example, this is a circuit. Okay, there is a voltage potential difference V. Key is present here and the resistor R. When we on this circuit and we place the compass here across X or Y. Okay, when the current is start flowing through the wire, the needles show some deflection. Earlier it was like this, but when the current starts flowing through it, it shows some deflection. Okay, we see that needle is deflected. What does it mean? It means that electric current through the copper wire has produced a magnetic effect. Means electric current is already present. Electric current तो present था ही copper wire में, और जब electric current start हुआ through the copper wire, then it shows some deflection which give rise to the magnetic effect. Thus we say that electricity and magnetism are linked to each other. Then we about the reverse possibility of electric effect of moving magnets. In this chapter we will study about the magnetic field such as electromagnetic effects. In case of the electricity there are the heating effects. In case of the magnetic there is the electromagnetic effects which gives the linkage of electricity and magnetism. How electricity and magnetism are related to each other. We shall also studied about electromagnets and electric motors which involves the magnetic effect of electric current, and electric generator which involves the electric effects of moving magnets. Clear? This is a generally a overview of the topic. Now I am going to discuss about this magnetic effects of electric current. When current flow through wire, it means a wire. It produces some effect. Example in electricity chapter, when current flows through it, it produces some heat. When electricity is flowing through a wire, it give rise to heat. For example, when electricity flows through bulb, the bulb will heat up after some time. Similar is in the case of the magnetic effect. Electric current also produces a magnetic effect. For example, this is a circuit having the voltage this one. Earlier the deflection of there is no any deflection in a compass, but when current start flowing through it, it shows some deflection. It give rise to this. Okay, earlier it was this, and when current pass through it, it shows some deflection. So it is the indication that magnetic effect also present in a circuit. Current will flow through wire as electric current flows through it. It show deflection which refers as a current produce some magnetic effect. Deflection give us the main hint that there is a presence of the magnetic effect in a wire. So current produces magnetism. करंट मैग्नेटिज्म को भी प्रोड्यूस करता है. जब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो करे और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का इफेक्ट शो हो, वो होता है मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का क्या इफेक्ट है? मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट. ड्यू टू करंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप. ड्यू टू करंट की वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप हो रही है. ड्यू टू करंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप्ड. नेक्स्ट इज when current pass it generates magnetic effect. For example, it is a similar. When current pass through a wire, it produces some magnetic effect which give rise to the magnetic effects of electric current. Or in this topic we are going to study about two rules. First is right hand thumb rule. It is a right hand thumb rule which gives the direction of the current of magnetic field, means in which direction the magnetic field is flowing. Clear? Which is a right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule gave us the direction in which direction the magnetic field is flowing. Next is Fleming's left hand rule. We are going to study this topic in further chapters. Next, the application of the magnetic effects of electric current is on the electric motor. In case of electric motor, we studied that how current will produce magnetism. How current will produce the magnetic effects of electric current. Clear? In case of the electric motor is the application. It is a usage where we going to describe about the effects of magnetic effects of electric current. Next, I hope that you understood this topic. Next, I am going to move up to the EMI. EMI is just opposite to the magnetic effects of electric current. In case of magnetic effects of electric current, the current produce magnetism. Clear? But in case of the electromagnetic induction, which is a full form of EMI, electromagnetic induction is opposite to the magnetic effects of electric current. In case of magnetic effects of the electric current produces magnetic effect. Current magnetic effect produce कर रहा था. But in case of EMI, magnetic field change effect produce current. Okay, in case of EMI, the change in magnetic field, जब magnetic field change होगा तब current कैसे produce होगा उसको describe करता है EMI. For example, there is a circuit, there is a bulb attached to it. In normal circuit we need a cell, okay, we need a resistor. But in case of EMI, there is only a simple bulb. Clear? And on one side we placed a magnet having north and south pole, and we immediately move this magnet throughout the wire. Immediately move. For example, at the very instant, quickly move the magnet across the one side of a wire will automatically produce the current across the circuit. It refers to a EMI, that how movement of magnet can produce a current across the circuit. It is a EMI. There is a magnet north and south pole, having north and south pole. When we immediately move a magnet across a wire, it describes how current start flowing through a circuit, which refers to a EMI. We need a no cell. Okay, magnetic field change through the wire which will produce current. As magnetic field change, we immediately move a magnet across the one side of a wire, up and down. Immediately move a wire and it will produce a current. Okay, in case of magnetic effects of electric current, electric motor is an application. But in case of EMI, generator is the application of EMI. The generator works on the principle of EMI, that how the movement of magnet produce a current across the circuit. As in case of generator, it will generate AC or DC current, alternating current and direct current. We will further study it. Okay, in case of EMI, there are rule. First is Fleming's right hand rule, which was given by Michael Faraday. Fleming's right hand rule. We will study about this topic. Okay, I hope that you understood this one. If you have any doubt, please reply in the comment section. Thank you all of you.